We're dealing with our rib battens. You can go a couple different ways. One way you can go is go ahead and do a stack on either side of your rib. Don't do it too high. And we're going to keep these from outside to outside 5 inches apart because our cap can be fitting over the top. And then we'll just fold our panel up on each side. So that would be fit on your wrist here. The other option is the traditional stack, just with 2x2s. So 1 and 2, maybe 3, depending on pitch. It's always going to change depending on pitch and construction of the project. But I can just do a traditional stack where I split 1 2x2 down, fasten the rafters, put the next one on top, fasten to that one, as I need a third, add accordingly. And then what we're showing here, the third option, of course, could be our ridge riser brackets. You can see just fastening 1 2x2 into the ridge riser brackets, and they're fastened down into the deck. Maximum we're going to have is 24 inches apart, and then you can see what you can just bend this according to whatever height they need, depending on the pitch. Now, when you get to the top with your short courses, depending on how big the short course is, you might have to add a batten to support that panel. So as you can see here, we got a support batten here to support that small short course that we'll have up the ridge.